Small lessons learned consistently create extraordinary skills. So today we are moving forward toward our two input nodes that are date picker and color picker. So I've already prepared the flow. I'll show you how to use them. So in the date node, you don't need to do any setting, just drag and drop here from the left. And in the color picker node also, you can select the output you want to get. You want to get the hex of the color or the RGB or these ones. So I have selected RGB and the color choosing panel will be shown in round trip in May. So here you can also change the setting like when you want the value when releasing or during the editing. Current value as a string or a object. So these are the options. I have already deployed the flow. So now you will see output of debug 60 and 61. So here is my date node. I chose 16 July 2026. But you see that it is giving a timestamp. So it converted it into a timestamp because this node is mainly used to store data. So when a user selects any date, you want to store it in your database. So this format is very useful. But now we want to see it as a date only. So we can change it. This is the small function where you first convert the message.payload into a new date and store it in A, and then you convert it to the local date string and then give it to the mess.payload. So now I enable this debug. We don't need to deploy, just we can enable the debug from here only. Now you see if I select a date, so you can see the date also and the timestamp value also. Now coming to the color picker, this is the, so you see a round circle where you can choose the color. So I've chosen blue. So you can get this RGB. And RGB coding is very useful if you're programming in Arduino or any other device. So this single node is helping us to get very useful data. In Hex also you can get the data. So these are the two input nodes we have covered. And by the end of this video, we have covered all our inputs node from button, drop down, switch, slider, numeric, text, date, form. And now in the from the next video, we'll be going to the output type UI nodes. So every lesson you complete today is an investment in your future. So keep learning and growing. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.